Welcome back to Turbo Drive Avenue, where performance meets personality. And today we're taking a close look at something bold, unapologetic, and impossible to ignore: the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno. This machine is built for drivers who want supercar attitude wrapped in an ultra-luxury SUV, equally at home as a daily statement piece, a weekend thrill machine, or a lifestyle icon that dominates every road it touches. On the outside, the G63 Inferno stays true to the legendary G-Class silhouette with its upright proportions, flat panels, and unmistakable boxy stance. The Inferno treatment is expected to add aggressive AMG styling elements, darker accents, unique wheels, and performance-focused details that amplify its already intimidating road presence. Signature LED headlights, bold grille design, and muscular fender flares give it a look that feels both classic and brutally modern, while the rear taillights and side exit exhausts leave no doubt this is an AMG. Step inside, and the G63 Inferno balances rugged character with high-end luxury. Premium leather, carbon fiber or metal trim, and precise craftsmanship define the cabin. Seating is spacious and supportive, with excellent visibility and a commanding driving position. Despite its hardcore image, everyday practicality remains strong, with usable rear seating and a functional cargo area for real-world use. In terms of trims, the G63 is expected to remain the core model, while the Inferno edition focuses on exclusive styling, upgraded materials, and visual enhancements rather than mechanical changes, giving buyers a more expressive version of the same performance foundation. Power is expected to come from the familiar AMG 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing an estimated 570-plus horsepower. Acceleration should be brutally quick, with a thunderous exhaust note, while AMG tuning delivers surprisingly composed handling for a vehicle of this size. Fuel economy is expected to be modest, estimated in the low to mid-teens, which aligns with its performance-focused nature. Technology includes dual widescreen displays, a modern infotainment system, premium audio, and a full suite of expected driver assistance and safety features. The value proposition is clear, with pricing expected to start around the ultra-luxury performance SUV segment, aimed at buyers who want presence, power, and prestige in one package. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno stands as a symbol of excess done right, blending heritage, performance, and attitude, while pointing confidently toward the future of high-performance luxury SUVs. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Turbo Drive Avenue, and press the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next.